Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Thank You Jesus for the Blood on guitar. To begin, you'll want to place your capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. This allows you to play using familiar G-shape chords while the song sounds in the key of B flat. The essential chords you'll need are G, C, D, and E minor. Focus on cleanly forming each chord and transitioning between them smoothly before moving on. Once you have the chords down, let's tackle the strumming. For the verses, a common and effective pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. This provides a steady, flowing rhythm. When you reach the chorus, the chords often change more quickly, so a single, clear downstrum for each chord can be very effective. Remember to keep a consistent 4/4 time signature, counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Achieving smooth chord transitions is key to making the song flow beautifully. Practice changing chords right on the beat, perhaps using a metronome to help. Incorporate chords like D over F sharp and G over B to add depth and a more professional sound. Also, think about dynamics. Strum softer during verses and build intensity in the chorus to create an engaging musical journey. Consistent practice is your best friend for mastering this song. Always start at a slow tempo, ensuring each chord is clear and every transition is accurate. As you gain confidence, gradually increase your speed. For the intro and first verse, try a gentle fingerpicking pattern, plucking the bass note with your thumb and higher strings with your fingers. Listening closely to the original recording will also help you capture the song's true spirit and timing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.